Hello everyone, so welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove beneficiary in Emirates Islamic mobile banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to remove a beneficiary in Emirates Islamic mobile application, the first thing that you need to do is open the Emirates Islamic app. So simply head over to your phone and then tap on the Emirates application and log in using your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID, and if you haven't kept any of the biometrics, simply tap on the login option, then enter in your username or email, then enter in your password, then tap on login. Then once logged into your account from the home screen, you'll find the option that says transfers. If you don't have that option, simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also find the transfers option on the bottom of your screen as well, and then once you're inside the menu, simply select transfers. Then once you're inside the transfers, here what you need to do is select the beneficiaries or manage beneficiaries option. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose the beneficiary. Tap on the beneficiary name you want to remove, and then once you tap on that, you'll find an option that says delete or remove. Simply tap on delete, remove or the bin icon. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is confirm the action and enter the OTP if requested. Then once you enter the OTP code, the beneficiary will remove successfully. So note that you cannot delete a beneficiary if a transfer is pending. If you don't see the delete option, simply try updating the application by logging out and then back in, or you can also simply use online banking or your web browser instead. And if it still doesn't work, simply call 600 599 995 for help. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.